Good morning. Owner user commercial real estate, the most tax advantaged asset class in America. And when business owners think about expansion, they usually start with one question: should I keep leasing or should I buy my building? And in today's environment with high inflation, rising rents, shrinking inventory, and also aggressive tax incentives, owner user commercial real estate stands out as the single most tax advantaged asset class in America. And this applies to doctors, to dentists, to law firms, to CPAs, to contractors, to franchisees, to retail operators, logistics companies, and every business owner who occupies their own space. And let's break down why owner user commercial real estate is becoming the secret weapon for wealth building in 2025 and into 2026. So there's massive tax advantages that tenants never get. Owner users gain access to tax strategies unavailable to investors or tenants. And some of these include accelerated depreciation as well as cost segregation. So a cost seg study can accelerate 30 plus years of deductions into as little as 5 to 15 years. So what this does is it creates large year one write-offs for you to offset your income, which is reduced taxable income that you have to report. And there's also significant cash flow improvements. So you have a mortgage interest deduction for the mortgage you carry. And every dollar of interest paid on the mortgage is a deduction, unlike rent, which disappears forever and you don't get any benefit from it. Ability to bonus depreciate certain improvements. So interior improvements, non-structural upgrades, and certain equipment may qualify for accelerated bonus depreciation. Two, SBA financing creates ultra low down payments. Through SBA 504 and SBA 7A, business owners can buy commercial real estate with as little as 10% down, and in some cases 0 to 5% down, in some cases for strong borrowers on 7A products. They offer longer amortizations up to 25 years and low rates, ability to finance improvements and equipment. And this is the only type of CRE in the world where you can acquire a multi-million dollar building with almost no equity injection. Number three is forced appreciation through occupancy. So unlike investment CRE, where rent growth depends on tenants, owner user CRE appreciates automatically as your business grows or improves its financials. So think about it this way: higher revenue for your business equals better margins, stronger branding, and in turn, higher property value for you. So you become both the landlord and the tenant, and you benefit from both sides of the deal from an accounting perspective. Four, long-term stability in a volatile market. So 2025 to 2026 will continue to bring cap rate volatility and tight lending standards, and as well as shifting investor sentiment as a result. But owner user CRE is insulated from those effects because businesses always need a space to operate their business, and you are in control of your occupancy. So you set your own rent payments as well. And you eliminate landlord risk entirely from pulling the property or not renewing your lease. So your rent will never suddenly spike again because you own the building and it doesn't get resold while you're a tenant there. Number five, it's a built-in retirement strategy. One of the best kept secrets in commercial real estate. So you can sell the business, but keep the building and lease it back for income. And many business owners retire with significant monthly passive income, a fully depreciated building, and it leaves open the door for a 1031 exchange option to buy even more real estate using that equity. Owner user CRE isn't just a strategy, it's a legacy building machine. And here's the final takeaway: owner user CRE is hands down the most tax advantaged, the most financeable, and most predictable asset class in the country. And business owners who understand this are building long term wealth at record speed. So, if you're a business owner in Houston, Katy, or Fulshire, considering the move from renting to owning, let's explore your options. You can visit my website, houstonrealestatebrokerage.com, for more information and as well to schedule a consultation. That is it for the day. Hope you have a good one.